Hey beautiful people, welcome right back to my channel. On today's video I'll be sharing with you how to actually mix your QEI for best result. I reviewed this lotion sometime last year. A lot of people went for the lotion. Same thing, I don't know if I've talked about it this year, but I know a lot of people wants to know know more about QEI as well as how to use it. A lot of people are using it, but then again they want to get 2-3 shades lighter, even though it's even lightening them, even though it's a lightening lotion. People want to get lighter. This is the Ember month and everybody is on their feet trying to get something beautiful for themselves. Okay, so this is why I've brought to you this video, how to actually mix your QEI to get 2 to 3 shades. So if this is something you want to watch, definitely do well to stick around. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up because I'm sure you're definitely going to love this video, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's begin.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Okay, so if you're new here, if this is your first time, I'm Sunita, based in Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and everything beauty, incorporating vlogs like my day-to-day life sometimes. Okay, like I said, I will be talking about QEI and as well as how to mix QEI in order to get 2 to 3 shades. I might not be doing the practical, but the ingredients I'll be listing to help you lighten up when you're using QEI, or to help give you that 2 to 3 shades, are ingredients that if used appropriately would definitely give you that result. Now, they are not something that are very complicated. They are not ingredients that are complicated before you say why not try it for us. Okay, they are not complicated. They are things you can just do side by side and just get a nice result. Okay, now how many of you know that QEI, as they come in their range, so also are their serums? Their serums also come in their range. If you have the QEI oil, they have the QEI oil serums. They have the privilege serum as well. As in fact, they have all their serums as their range varies. That's how their serums also varies. Okay, and these were formulated or made to meet your skin needs, skin type, as well as your skin tone. Okay, now if you are using the QEI oil, I will advise you mix it with the serum. Use them side by side because the QEI lotion comes in a very big jar, which is the 500 ml. It moisturizes your skin. One thing I love it for is that it moisturizes your skin as well as lightening it. Now the QEI oil is better than the privilege as well as the oriental with the carrot, if you ask me. Apart from the QEI oil, with the other one that is actually really nice is the, forgotten the name, but possibly I'm going to leave it here. Okay, but the QEI oil is what a lot of people are very interested in because the other one is very expensive, so people tend to settle for the oil. Me, I don't mix my stuffs inside my cream because sometimes if it does not work, I should have something to fall back on. I mean, the cream should not be tampered with, so that even if what you're mixing is not working or giving you some sort of reaction, you can actually have your lotion all to yourself, using it until you are able to figure out what next to do or how to mix it. Okay, so when using QEI, try not to mix things into the jar because it's very expensive and it's very big, so you cannot afford to mix everything into the jar itself and then it do not work on you. You want to trash it and maybe look for something else. Okay, so what you need to do is, even if you want to mix it into a jar, like try to pump it out a little amount of it, let's say 4 tablespoons of your QEI oil into a bowl or a jar, a small jar, like you know those small containers. Add your serum and then go ahead. You can add 2 or more serums depending on the formulations of the serum. Okay, so the serum I'll highly advise you mix it with. The number one is either the QEI oil itself or whatever variant you're using. If you think the QEI serum is very expensive, you cannot afford to buy the lotion as well as the serum, you can as well just go and buy glutathione prime serum. It's a very nice serum that will help to lighten up your skin. Okay, so that is how it works. Now when using this serum, you can as well just mix the amide serum into it as well to help, because of course if you're using two or more than one serum to mix your cream, you don't want to go and start mixing them side by side because you might just miss on it. Unless you're using just one serum, then you can just use side by side. I mean you pump in your cream as well as your serum in your palm and then apply. But if you're using two serums, you need to mix it into a bowl, a small container that will last for about 2 weeks or 1 week, because I won't advise you to mix your cream for a long period of time because it might just obstruct the potency of the cream, because the ingredients you're mixing, you don't even know if they are good enough for a certain lotion. I don't know if you get what I mean. So in order for you not to miss or to make your lotion too fermented, you need to mix into a very small bowl or a very small jar that will last for about a week or two, okay? Because if it lasts more than that, it might just get fermented and might give you some sort of reaction that you don't understand or that you might not like. So when mixing your lotions with 2 or more serums, try to drop your oils to help moisturize your skin, to help lock in moisture. You can use your almond oil, you can use your coconut oil, you can use your glycerin oil, you can as well mix your shea butter just for the moisture. Then in order for you to prevent reaction, any sort of reaction, 2 drops of your tea tree oil into your mixture like will help you a whole lot, because if you're going to have any breakout, your acne breakout or whatever breakout it is, it will not come. Why? Because of the tea tree oil will help to absorb any reaction from these lotions. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So your tea tree oil is a very, very good anti-reaction oil to mix into your mixture, to add into your mixture. Do not forget a drop or 2 is enough, because you don't want to mess the smell of your cream, because tea tree oil, as far as I'm concerned, does not smell nice at all. You can also mix it alongside your skin free milk. Lightens you, as let's say your skin free milk, your tea tree oil, any carrier oil of your choice, as well as your glutathione compressed serum. So if you cannot find this glutathione compressed serum, you can also go for the amide serum. It's very mild, it is not harsh on the skin. So if you're going to use glutathione compressed serum, because it's a little acidic, okay, what you need to do is add your amide serum, because that serum is a serum that you can even use on your skin just like that, and it will not cause any harm. Even for those that are formulating their glow oil, you can add amide serum. Is also very, very good. There are sparkler oils that also lightens the skin. You can also add into it, and trust me, just play around with these oils or serums, you're definitely going to love. So if you're going to use skin free serum, try as much as you can to use 3 tablespoons of your skin free serum, because you don't need to pour everything into it. If not, it's going to over whiten you, thereby giving you dark knuckles. So do not forget to also moisturize your skin. So when using these particular serums, or when you're mixing your product like this to get a lightening effect, what you need to do is use a moisturizing shower gel that will moisturize your skin, because when your skin is fully moisturized, like well moisturized, you won't have any dryness, because lightening up it makes your skin prone to dryness. So in order to prevent your skin from going dry, thereby giving you uneven skin tone, you need to moisturize your skin. And you have to start with your bathing soap. Your bathing soap should have a moisturizing, in fact your bathing soap should be a moisturizing bathing soap, be it a bar soap, be it a liquid soap. It should fully moisturize your skin, so that when you are fully moisturized, you come out from the bathroom, you need to apply your oil first. Any oil of your choice, apply it on your skin before then going in with this cream into your skin. That way you're fully moisturizing all corners. The cream will have no effect like giving you dark knuckles or anything like that, because we all know that skin free milk is very, very active. Glutathione compressed serum is very, very active, okay? These 2 serums are very active. So I'm talking for those who cannot use the QEI who cannot afford to buy the QEI serum because it's very expensive. So the glutathione compressed serum, the skin free serum, as well as the amide serum are serums you can actually mix together to give you a lightening effect, okay? So when you are using this particular formulation or these particular serums, it's very important that you don't overlook the moisturizers don't overlook moisturizers, because they can be very, very helpful. You see those people lightening up their skin and they are not looking tired, worn out or whatever, is as a result of moisturizing. So for those who are mixing up their lotion in order to give them a lightening or a whitening effect, try to drink a lot of water too. This will help hydrate your skin. Always your skin will stay hydrated from the inside, whereas the oils will help to moisturize your skin. That way it makes everything balanced up. I don't know if you get my point. So yeah, this will be it. I hope you are able to enjoy and understand this video. Okay, this is how to actually mix your QEI in order to get a very nice effect, or a very nice whitening effect. Okay, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if it's helping you in any way. Okay, let me know your video suggestions down in the comment section. And you guys, I promise, like, I'm trying to see how I can be posting every day, more like a vlogmas. Okay, I'm trying to see how I can be posting every day till the 31st of this month, God helping me, because sometimes a lot of things might make you not be able to post. You might have the video on ground, but you might not have battery to post, or maybe your network might be failing. So this is why most times when you hear vlogmas, a lot of people just stop halfway because of this because of all these things I have mentioned. Okay, but I will try my best to see how I can come up with videos every time. Okay, like if not every day, like every other day. But I'm challenging myself every day till the 31st of this month. Okay, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Like I said, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys very, very soon. Bye.